This video will be different from all the money making videos you have watched till date, because in this video I'm not going to share with you just what to do, but I will share with you how to do and give you the exact step by step on what to do to actually start making money with $0 and zero skills. If you are excited, keep watching. So you have no money to start a business and you have no skills. No problem. It doesn't matter where you are from in this world. It doesn't matter how old are you, whether you can be 13, 25, 36, 42, 57, 145. This video is for you. This video is for everyone. And in this video, I will make it crystal clear step by step on exactly how to make money from scratch. The only thing you need to do this business is a smartphone and an internet connection, which I believe you already have because you are watching this video right now. A few months ago, I made a video called the $0 dropshipping store. It is like the most successful video on this channel right now, and people ask me if there is another $0 marketing strategy. Okay, if you don't know what dropshipping is, it's fine. The reason why I'm mentioning about that video is because a lot of people have asked me about the $0 marketing strategy, and this video will work as the $0 marketing strategy for your dropshipping as well. So this video applies to both dropshippers and those beginners who want to start making some side income to start their first business. So what is this business I'm talking about? Is this a new business which most people have not yet discovered? Of course not. This is something which you have heard before. This business is something which people have talked about before, but the only thing is that most people who talk about this business model on this platform on YouTube, they don't give you the exact step by step on how to do this. But no worries, today you will get the exact step by step strategy. A quick disclaimer, this is not a business which I do. I'm not gonna pretend I have 100 different businesses. Of course, I have some businesses which I documented in my channel which you can watch, but this is not something I do. This is a business which one of my friend does, and he's making around $1,000 a month from this business. So all the information, all the strategy, all the ideas which I'm going to talk about in this video, the credit goes to him because I take this information, this idea, this knowledge, this wisdom from him. Keep in mind that everything is coming from his wisdom and knowledge, and whatever you are going to learn today is from him and someone who is actually successful with this business. So what is this business? This business is nothing else but the Instagram page business, which means you are going to grow an Instagram page and you're going to promote other people's content to make money. So what you basically do is you build an Instagram page on a particular niche. By niche, it means category. You build an Instagram page in a particular category. It may be pet, it may be dog, it may be fitness, it may be beauty. And what happens is when you have a massive following, micro brands or dropshippers will come to you to promote their products, and when you do so, you get paid. But this video is not just about the Instagram strategy. At the end of this video, I will show you how to integrate, how to combine this Instagram strategy with dropshipping so that you can make more than $1,000. You can make up to $3,000 or up to $5,000 per month with this strategy. Now you have a scratch idea of how this business works. Now let's go into step by step on exactly what you should do to start this business and make money from. So in this video, we will talk about finding an Instagram niche, posting strategy, how often should you post and all those stuff, growing strategy, how to actually grow your Instagram page without paying a cent, selling strategy, how to actually sell your service, how to price your service, precautions, which means what actions you should take to prevent problems and run this business smoothly. And lastly, I will show you how to integrate this business with dropshipping to make the most possible money from this particular business. So let's start with step number 1, that is finding an Instagram niche. By niche, it means category. Before I go into how to choose a niche, I want to talk about this. You should make sure that your Instagram page is not about meme, it's not about jokes, or it's not about entertainment, because things like memes, things like entertainment are general interest and we don't want it. So it is that simple. We don't want any of these memes, entertainment and stuff. What we want to focus on, we want to focus on a particular niche, a particular interest, a particular category which have a passionate audience. I will show some niche, some categories which are very good in the market right now. So you can see it right here on the screen. You can pause this video and choose whatever niche you want, and you can make an Instagram page on that very particular niche. So after you find your niche, after you find which category your Instagram page will be in, it's time for step 2, that is posting. Posting is very simple. All you do is make 3 to 6 posts every single day. You don't want to post all at once. What you want to do is keep a timer in your phone, keep an alarm, and post with an interval of about 6 hours or 4 hours or something like that, and make sure you post 3 to 6 times in a day. That is the posting strategy for your Instagram page, but there is something mandatory which you need to do, and that is you need to post at least once or twice a week about a product that is related to your niche. For example, if your Instagram page is about dogs, what you want to do is you want to post a product related to dog. It can be a dog collar, it can be a dog teeth cleaner, whatever, something like that. And what you want to do is you want to include the product link in your Instagram bio. But the product link which you should include in your Instagram bio is not from just random website, but the Amazon affiliate link. If you don't know what Amazon affiliate is, it is very simple. It is a program by Amazon which anybody can sign up, and you will create a link for a particular product, and when people buy the product from that link, you will get a commission. Which means if you create a post about a particular product on your Instagram page, and if people like it and they click on the Amazon affiliate link in your Instagram bio and they buy from it, you will get a commission. But this is not about the money we are talking right here. This is about creating this habit. This is about making your audience, your followers, used to promotion of product in your Instagram page. This you want to do once or at least twice a week. While doing this, you can either post the product photo or you can make a product video by compiling some clips from YouTube. If you don't know how to make video, don't worry, I already have a video I will show in the screen right now. Okay, so you can just go and watch that video. I will also include it in the description, and after you watch that, you can make a video for any product, and you should write a very engaging caption, a very engaging title. This product does this and that. You want to show the benefits to your audience, but this is very important. Make sure you don't reveal the product name in the caption or the text, because if you reveal the product name, people will not go and click on your Instagram bio link. People will just go to Amazon and search for the product name. You don't want that to happen, so you want people to click on your link. Don't include the product name in the description and make them click on the affiliate link you have in your Instagram bio. That way you can get commission, as well as train your followers, as well as make your followers used to promotional product on your Instagram page. Because if you don't do this, and if you suddenly start promoting products after you have some massive followers, people will think that something is going on with your page and they may start unfollowing you. So that is the reason why you want to make your followers used to promotions. So after you start posting in your Instagram page, the next thing you want to do is grow your Instagram page organically. How to do this? It's very simple. It's not complex, and this is the guaranteed way to grow your Instagram page. So what you do is you go to a particular page which is similar to your page. For example, if you create a page in the dog niche, you want to go to a page of the dog niche which has a large following. Okay, so if you create a page in the kitchen niche, you want to go to a page in the kitchen niche which has a very large following, maybe 50,000 or 100,000 followers. The next thing you want to do is go on their latest post. After you go on their latest post, you want to see the people who like the post. And once you see that, you will see a series of people, and what you want to do is you want to follow each and every one of them. There is a rule to do this. You don't want to follow 1,000 people all at once. You want to follow 30 to 50 people at a time, and you want to do that around 5 to 10 times a day, which means in a day you should be following around 200 to 400 people. The general rule is that 1 in every 5 people you follow will follow you back, which means when you follow 5,000 people, 1,000 people will follow you back. Okay, so now we are at following 5,000 and followers 1,000. From here, what you want to do is the reverse of what you have done, which means instead of following this time, you want to unfollow people. Keep this in mind when you are doing this. When you are unfollowing people, make sure you are not following anyone, because if you are following and unfollowing at the same time, Instagram may find it suspicious and they may block your account. You don't want that to happen. What is important is that you don't want to unfollow random people. You want to unfollow those 4,000 people who doesn't follow you back. So here's the tricky part. How do you know which people didn't follow you back? Well, it's very easy. We will use an app. Like I said before, I don't do this business, so I don't know which apps is about unfollowing or following. But like I said before, this method is actually something done by one of my friends successfully. He actually gave me the app link which you can download and with which you can unfollow those people who doesn't follow you back. He is an Android user, so the app he gave me is for Android, so you want to check it. It is in the link in the description. If you are an iOS user, don't get disappointed because this don't only work for Android, it works for iOS as well. What you want to do is you want to go to App Store and you want to search Instagram, unfollowers and all those things, and you want to test a bunch of apps and see which works for you. So to unfollow, you do the same strategy. You unfollow 30 to 50 people at a time and you do that 5 to 10 times a day, and you want to unfollow all the 4,000 people who doesn't follow you back. So by theory, after you do all that, you should have 1,000 followers and you should have 1,000 following. Of course, this number will not be accurate. You will have some more followers than following, but you get the point, okay? You want to have 1,000 followers, you want to have 1,000 following. That is the thing. Then what you do is just rinse and repeat the same process, that is follow, unfollow, follow, unfollow, until you have 5,000 followers, and that's it. Once you have 5,000 followers and you keep posting 3 to 6 times a day, what will happen is that your account will grow automatically and it will grow very fast. I understand that this is not the only way, so if you have your own way to grow your Instagram page, feel free to use it, because it doesn't matter which strategy you are using to grow your Instagram page, this business model will work for you as long as you have followers. Congratulations, now you have followed the exact strategy and now you have an Instagram account with around 50,000 followers. What do you do now? So when you have 50,000 followers, you will have many people DMing you, texting you in your Instagram every single day, as long as you keep posting and making content on your Instagram page. So the way you want to sell your service is that you want to sell it as a promotion, which means when people want to promote something, you will post it in your Instagram page, or you will post it as a story in your Instagram page. So this is what you tell someone who wants to do a promotion. Either they can choose it to promote it in your Instagram feed, or either they can choose it to promote it in your Instagram story. The Instagram story will automatically disappear after 24 hours, but for the Instagram feed, you can tell them that you will keep it for 2 to 4 days depending on what you want and what you want to offer, and then after that you will delete it. How do you actually price it? This is how you actually price your service. Let's say your average likes on a post is 3,000. Then you want to price your service $30. If it's 4,000 likes, you want to price it $40. If your average like is 5,000, then you want to price it $50. You get the point. For story, you want to charge half of what you charge for the post. So let's take an example. Your Instagram page has 50,000 followers and your average likes is 3,000. In that case, you want to charge $30 for an Instagram feed promotion for 3 days, and you want to charge $15 for an Instagram story promotion. One thing you should keep in mind is that even if you get messages every day, don't promote like 3 products in a day, 4 products in a day. That will drive away a lot of your followers and you will lose a lot of followers. At most, you want to promote only 1 product a day. So that is it. Now you have a massive Instagram page and now you are making money by doing promotion and sub up. Congratulations, now you have a big Instagram page and you are making money through promotion. But you should take some precautions to prevent some problems and run this business smoothly. Whenever you are promoting, whether it is in Instagram feed or story, take a screenshot as well as a screen recording. Also take screenshot of the chatting with your client. If possible, you can even keep the screen recording. Why is this important? Because when someone tries to scam you after you make the post and after you delete it from your Instagram feed, or after the story automatically disappears after 24 hours, what if your client goes to PayPal and make a dispute? PayPal will ask for proof whether you make the post or not. So if you don't have any proof, then you will lose the dispute and you have to refund the money to your client. For your reference, an Instagram page in the dog niche with 80,000 followers make around $200 to $600 every single month. So guys, now you know what exactly to do to grow your Instagram and make money. Now let me tell you how you can integrate it, how you can combine it with dropshipping. It's very simple. Instead of promoting Amazon affiliate products, all you have to do is you have to create your own store and promote your own products, and that is very simple. If you don't know how to create an online store, if you don't know how to add products and all those things, don't worry, because I already have a video for it. All you have to do is go to the video. It will be in the link in description, as well as I will show it right here on the screen. Watch the video and you will understand how to create an online store, how to add product, find product, etc. It is 100% free. You don't need to pay for anything, and you follow the same strategy you do with the Amazon affiliate. That is, you promote 1 or 2 products in a week. If you make a post, it may be an image or a video of a particular product in your online store. You have 50,000 followers, so you may at an average have a view of around 10,000. So if 10,000 people view the image or the video of the product, considering 2% click-through rate, you should get 200 visitors to your website. And considering a conversion rate of 4%, which is average because your followers are already people who are interested in your niche or your category, you will get around 8 sales out of 200 visitors to your website. So if you make $15 in profit per sale, 8 sales will mean $120. So you are making $120 per product. Of course, not every product will make you exactly $120. Some will not even make you money. Some will be like crazy, and this is the market. You don't decide which product will work or not. The market decides it. But $120 a product is the average. So guys, that is how you connect your Instagram page with dropshipping. It's very simple, and if you want to learn more about dropshipping and stuff, you can watch my channel. And yes, this method is easy, but it's not gonna be something you will start making money from tomorrow or today. It does take time, around 5 months, 6 months, or maybe a year. But guys, trust me, if you do nothing today, after 6 months or after a year, you will end with literally nothing. If you start putting effort today, and after 6 months or after a year, you will definitely be making some massive side income. That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys go out and test this strategy, and I hope you guys make a lot of money from it. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like. It helps me out. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will be dropping more and more values. Once again, thank you for watching up to the end of this video. I really appreciate your time, and bye. Peace. Hey, let me show you something real quick. Fun. Okay, so what's this? It says no skill. Okay, so if you have no money, that is you have just paper and you have no skill. It doesn't matter where you are from in this world. What you can do is you can fold this paper up just like that, and if you really concentrate on it, what you can do is just like that, you can sense the paper into money. Just that. Thanks. Okay. Peace.